Hello everybody, my name is Christopher Daimano Zapata, and today I make a cinnamon roll. The ingredients when I need it is cinnamon powder, butter, milk, and dry yeast, cheese cream, 2 eggs, brown sugar, and, and white sugar. Oh, and the wheat flour. And the elements is a spoon, 3 cups, a bowl, and a mold, and the spatula. And the other element is the baking paper. Okay, let's cook. The first step is in a 1 cup of milk. A 1 cup of milk, put a 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add some of dry yeast, a little of dry yeast. Mix all and rest for 10 minutes. The second step is on a pot, add some butter and 2 eggs. For the third step, we put 4 cups of wheat flour on a pot. And now add the mix of butter and eggs, and the dry yeast or milk. Remember, add a half teaspoon of salt. And add now of the mix of the dry yeast and milk. Next,
My dad or my assistant helps knead the dough.
remember that wash the utensils after the use it. Now the dough grows, and this time put it in the desk, then the dough of the dough with a rolling pin. Now spread the batter into the dough. After the spread butter, spread some brown sugar and the cinnamon. Now roll the dough for making the rolls. In that part, use the string to cook the dough in small pieces. The final step is prepare the roll, cut, and cook in the pan. Uh, Meanwhile, the cook wait 20 or 30 minutes and serve and, enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Right?